Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TS6550i. What I want to do is to show you how to copy documents with this printer. Open the glass scanner, stick the document you want to copy face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left. This is A4 paper. Then close the cover. Then from the menu, it will show you copy. Use up or down to select copy. Select OK to copy. Menu, select OK. You can print copy up to 99. Use down or up to select the number. Then select OK. This button is for you to stop the job or stop copying. Then it will show you scroll down the paper. A for plain, then you select OK. If you want to change paper, then you select OK to change the paper. Standard copy, scroll down, it will show you standard copy, or ID card copy, or borderless copy, or frame erase copy. So you can scroll down to select particular one. We want to do this standard copy. Then select menu again. Then scroll down to others. Select OK to others. It will show you one to sided or layer. So select one sided, select OK. Then scroll down to select two sided. Do you want to make advanced settings such as orientation? Then you select up to confirm the orientation. It will show you portrait or landscape. So portrait selected. Binding long or binding short, binding long. And also scroll down to select intensity or same size, quality. So you can select any particular one, and once you've done that, then you select this button to copy color or black. So scanning in color. Page 2, open the cover, turn the document the other way around, then select OK to start to scan the next page. This is the document we copied in color. Now I want us to copy this single page and in black and white. So we copy this in color, two-sided. Now I want us to copy this black and white and single page. So select menu, select number of copies. Once you select the copy, use up or down to select number of copies. Select OK. Paper, plain paper. If you have different paper, then you need to select on the paper to select. Then standard copy, select others, two-sided, scroll up to select one-sided. Then layout, no layout. You also have 2 on 1 copy or 4 on 1 copy. 2 on 1 copy means if you copy the document, 2 of them will be on one page. You have that option as well, but no layout selected. Intensity. So you can do manual setup or auto. This is manual setup. can select minus or plus if you prefer. Then you can also go back. You can also select author, then size, same size, manual or preset or fit to page. After that, then you go back. Quality, high quality is currently in standard. You can also select draft. So standard is selected. Then you go back, then select black. So it's copying black and white, one page. This is the document we copied. So these are ways to copy document. If you want to copy ID card, just need to select, go to the home, select copy, select OK, then select menu, then scroll down to select standard copy. Then it will show you ID card copy. Scroll down to select ID card copy or borderless copy. So once you select standard copy, you scroll down to select ID card. Then put the ID card you want to copy and copy the job, or go back to the home or use back arrow, and this is for you to stop the job. Once you are copying the document, let's say if you want to select copy black, the document is copying, then you press this to stop the job. So the job is now cancelled. So press this for you to stop the job. Press this to copy black. Press this button to copy color. So this is how to copy documents with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.